we all share one thing in common, and that is this Earth. At WyreStorm, we believe in efforts to help save the environment and aim to contribute to a healthier planet one box at a time. Over the years, WyreStorm has removed from our packaging materials the use of plastics and other harmful substances to our Earth whenever possible, and are continuously working to completely remove all plastics whatsoever, creating an eco-friendly packaging solution for AV installers and integrators at large. So while we confront the electronic packaging waste and plastic pollution pandemic, we believe that paper packaging materials are a much more environmentally friendly solution in the AV technology industry. Being that paper is already some of the highest, most recycled materials across the world, we ask you to join WyreStorm in going green and help recycle our packaging whenever possible. Help push our AV manufacturing peers to implement more environmentally friendly practices as well. Tag AVTWEEPS and help recycle to save our Earth.